Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is a channel for all Final Cut Pro plugins, tricks, tips, and just ways to get you better in Final Cut Pro. As you can see on the screen, here's our website with plenty of plugins, some free, some you have to pay for, but just go check that site out. It's www.b3-studios.com. Now today we'll be going over a few effects in Yeat's new video, Bigger Than Everything, so let's get right into it. So this video had a lot of cool edits in it. I'm just gonna go over a few. We're gonna start off by replicating this transition, this blur motion transition. It's pretty cool. And what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna do it on a different scene, so we can do it on this scene right here. So when the clips change right here, I'm just gonna split it right here so we can make a transition. Okay, so basically this is a speed transition. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna press Command R on Mac, and we're just gonna go to about, I want to say a little over half, and we're gonna press Shift B on Mac. We're gonna speed this up. I'm gonna speed this up to about 1,000. So okay, so once we speed that up, looks pretty cool. You can get away with it like that, but we're gonna make it look even more realistic. We're gonna grab an adjustment layer, and that's gonna be in the titles tab. There's plenty of adjustment layers on the internet. I'm gonna put one in the description. This you can just Google or YouTube free adjustment layer, but I'm just gonna leave one in the description for you guys. And with this adjustment layer, this is how we're gonna make the transition look way more realistic. So we're gonna go over here to our effects tab, to the blur. We're gonna click directional, and we're gonna drag this on to our clip right here. And once we have it on our adjustment layer, we are going to go to the effects panel right here, and we are going to point this arrow right here over here so we can expand the blur. And now when we play it back, it's gonna look way more realistic. Really nice right there. You can even shorten it up a little bit so it can look even better. Nice. We can shorten it up just a little bit more so it can be perfect. That's perfect right there. So that's one transition that was really cool in this video that I liked. And now let's move on to the next one. Okay, so for our next effect, it's this vignette type of scene right here. You see this black type of vignette going over the screen, so that's a pretty cool effect. So we're just gonna try to replicate that again. And how we can replicate that is we can go over to the mask and keying effects tab right here, and we can put a vignette mask right here. And as I place that on there, as you can see, the mask is already starting to work, but we can make adjustments. You can expand the mask however you want it. Makes the scene look very cool. That was from the video. You can even make it even smaller if you want. So yeah, that's another effect that will really make your video dynamic. And for our last effect, we're gonna try to replicate the filter that they put on this video. I'm pretty sure they used a ND filter on their camera, but we're gonna try to replicate this as best as we can in Final Cut Pro. So let me grab another clip here from a completely different music video. I'm gonna try to replicate this as best as we can in Final Cut Pro. So you're gonna go to the effects tab, and you're gonna go to color grading presets. And we have a bunch of color grading presets right here to choose from. I think the best one we can go with is the desaturated with contrast. Let's try to match the filter of the Yeat video. And this doesn't look too perfect, but we're gonna just try to make adjustments on this. You can go click on the down arrow, you can double click and start to make adjustments. So you can bring down the warmth, give it a little tint right there. You can also bring down the brightness to make it a little bit dull, and the shadows tint, you can bring that down. You can just mess around with it. As we press play here, we can see it's kind of close. It doesn't fit as perfectly, but it's kind of close. I'm pretty sure they used a ND filter in the scene. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial. Comment below if you want to see any other effects from this video or any other video. I really hope you guys got something from this. Like I said, go check out the website www.beat3-studios.com. See what you like there. There are plenty plugins there, some free, some that you have to pay for, but just go check it out. Thank you guys again for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, because we'll be coming out with a lot more content soon. All right guys, appreciate you.